In the next episode of the Ozik said, the story can be opened in the short time jump, creating a completely different atmosphere. Several months have passed since the catastrophe. Ilaya is living away from the Albora mansion with the Danis, while the Jihan has thrown himself into rebuilding the family's damaged business and ending the old rivalry. They have not spoken directly for the weeks. Jihan keeps an photograph of Alaya hidden inside his desk but refuses to call. Alaya still wears the ring on the chain beneath her clothes, yet tells everyone she and Dennis are living a quieter life. Their separation appears permanent until Dennis receives an assignment asking him to create a family tree. As he begins asking questions, he realizes entire branches of the Albora family are missing, or the Albora history are missing to deliberately avoid it. He contacts Jihan for the help without telling Ayla. And Jehan sent him old photographs and stories, but no image contains an unfamiliar woman standing beside Jehan's father. Dennis innocently shows it to the Alaya, who recognizes the woman from the records she once saw among the Mariam belongings. Curiosity brings Elias back to the Mardin, but she tells herself she is returning only to investigate. Her first meeting with the Jahan after months apart is restrained. Neither know whether to behave like strangers, farmers, lovers, or family. Jahan notices the ring chain around her neck but says nothing, and together they investigate the photograph and discover the woman disappeared decades earlier after giving testimony in the land dispute. Official records says that she moved abroad, yet there is no evidence she has left Turkey. The trail leads to the nursing home under the another name. When the Laya and Jahan arrive, the woman recognizes Jahan immediately and calls him by his father's name. Once she understands who he is, she becomes terrified and say the Albora family was lied to about the event that created one of the oldest feuds. She claimed that Jihan's father tried to end the conflict but was betrayed by the someone within his own circle. Before she gives the name, the fire alarm forces the building to evacuate. In the confusion, the woman disappears. Security footage shows that she left voluntarily with the man wearing the hat, suggesting someone reached her before the Alaya and Jahan could protect her. The search forces the former couple to spend the entire night together, awakening emotions they have buried for months. Jihan finally asks whether Alaya is happier away for him. She answered that peace and happiness are always not the same thing. Before she can respond, Dennis calls and says someone entered their house looking for the family tree photograph. Alaya and Jihan race back and realizing that school assignment accidentally uncovered a secret powerful enough